So another on the video, and I am don't mind my hair. I am this is my bun from yesterday, and it still looks bad. I make my stuff all the time, and she messes with my stuff, but it's okay because she's okay. Okay. Today I'm gonna be showing you my slimes because I made a new one yesterday. You probably haven't seen, so yeah. Okay, so first one would be my favorite one is the first one. So the first one is orange sherbet. I tried my best to make the orange match the lid of the orange, but there's two different color oranges on them, and they're not sticky. So this is a glossy slime. It's not sticky. I thought it would be sticky, but it's not. And it's really stretchy too. It's glossy, so it's pretty. All of them are not sticky, so yeah. Anyway, so the ingredients I used for this one was orange, like the littlest bit of orange food coloring, a bottle and a half of glue, and then for activator I used Game. So yeah. So that's what I used. Some people use Contact Eye Solution, some people use Downy, some people use different ones, but only certain laundry detergents work. And then I have, this is my bottle of things. So I have a blue glitter, a green glitter, a teal food coloring, a gold, silver, purple, and red. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna make the teal one today and yellow food coloring. No, this is orange. Orange food coloring. And then I have other food colorings. The reason, well, I'm making the teal one today. There was a thing, a thing like this from Dollar Tree, but it had a crack in it, so we have to return it to get today and get a new one. So yeah, to make that one, because I want a really good container for it, because I don't want it just to, like, you know. Okay, so that was my orange slime. Hold on, I'm sorry. My hair looks so bad. Okay. The next one is this Cool Whip container, and obviously when I put something in Cool Whip container, it means it has shaving cream in it, so it's fluffy slime. And yes, I did put shaving cream in this, but I didn't buy any. I used my dad's because he let me. Okay, so I put yellow in this one, but it's lime green somehow. Don't ask me how, because I don't even know how. Literally yesterday, I just noticed this when I made it all. My nails are pretty with it. Anyway. Yeah, this is a really good slime. This is probably, I can't say my second favorite because I don't know my second favorite. Maybe if that would work, that'd be awesome. But okay. You can hear the popping noises. Oh, wait. Pop all these bubbles. It's really stretchy. When you put shaving cream in it, it activates it faster for some reason. I noticed that, and it's easier when you knead it. It's like it's not as messy as the other ones. When you knead it like glossy slime and clicky slime and poppy slime. When you mix those, it's kind of hard to knead it, but this isn't sticky at all, or it'd be sticking to my hand. Okay, so there's that yellow one. Oh, wait. I like that one. That was maybe my second favorite. I still have more. I'm not done. Not at all yet. I have this one. It has silver glitter. I didn't show you how I made this one. So I used, first of all, I poured the glue in this one. I poured the glue in. And then I added shaving cream, and then I added the food coloring. And then I activated it, and then, yeah, it was really pretty. I didn't put any glitter in it, just because I wanted plain ones. But the teal one I might put glitter in, but I'm going to make a teal one and another one. So I'm going to make one teal, and then the other one I'm going to make it so it's going to be like teal, and then I'm going to make one where no food coloring, and then all of the glitters. So it's going to be pretty, like 2 shakes of all of the glitter. Yes, I know, I'm still playing with this one. Okay, I'm putting this one up now because that one's my favorite, probably. I don't know. I have a lot of favorites. So, okay, so this is the one. I poured my glue in, and then I added a lot of silver sprinkles, glitter, because it's kind of hard to see silver and pink. That's just my opinion. And this one's also really, like, hold on, Poppy. And clicky. This one's glossy slime, but this one's like extra glossy. I didn't add anything into it. It's glossy somehow. And you're supposed to add foaming hand soap for it to be glossy. But you don't even have to add much. You just have to add activator and white glue to make it glossy, really. I'm going to make some white slime, but I think it will get dirty easily, but still, it's worth to try. It's worth it to try it. This one's not much sticky. I wouldn't even say it's sticky at all, but I don't want to lie because it is a little, but it doesn't stick to my hands. Okay. See, there's nothing on my hands whatsoever. That's what I'm saying. If it gets stuck to you, it'll just come right off anyway. So. This one's not really that sticky, though, to be honest. Or see, it would be all over this hand, but is it? No, look. It's, yeah. This one was the first one I made. Not first time ever making slime. It's just the first one I made yesterday. So I'm going to make a YouTube video on when I'm going to make the teal and white one, which is today. So I will keep you updated. I'm probably going to do the white one in a minute because I'm bored, and yeah, so I might not even make another whole video. I think I might just add it in with this video. I don't know. I'll have to look at it. Okay, this one's also like, this one does not have shaving cream in it, if you're asking. All I did was add purple and silver glitter, like a lot of it. And then, this one's my favorite one, honestly, this one is. Look how pretty it is, hold on. Look how pretty this is. Like, it's got pink and silver glitter. And this is a pretty big slime too. But here, I'll show you how much it fills this up. This is how much it fills the container up. So, okay, I'm going to put this container up, and I'm going to get all my materials out to make this white slime. Okay, or the teal slime. I'm not sure yet. Okay. So, first thing first, you need your, ow, freak. I've got to rinse this out. That's my mixing bowl. Okay, so this is what I use. Okay, so put my camera. Everything's in this, by the way. So I'm using cane, this towel, what'll work and what won't work. So I'm just gonna use this. Or should I make the teal slime? I think I'm gonna make the teal slime. Shouldn't I? No, I'm gonna make the white slime today. Okay. I don't think yes, I do have more bubbles. I know I do because I don't have enough bubbles that easily. Okay, so I have this bowl. It was my friend Faith, but she gave it to me, so I'll be back, guys. Okay, so I got the bowl cleaned. Sorry it took some time. It's hard to do that. So I have my full bottle of glue. The bowl, well, the container, I may say. It's not even gonna take long. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, so first get your mixing bowl. You need your mixing tool, which my spoon broke yesterday, so I'm using the other half of it. It's better than wasting it. Okay. So I'm trying to figure out what I should use and what I shouldn't use because, I mean, I don't know what to use. I'm going to use the full bottle right there in front of your face, in front of the screen. But I've got to figure out how to do something real quick. I know how to do something. Okay, I'm just going to let this Sorry guys if this takes a little while. You have to be really patient for this too. If you make slime, you have to be really patient. Because, you know, it takes patience because it takes a little while to do this. Probably about maybe 5-10 minutes, maybe. And you have to use a pretty good bit of activator too. So, just to let you know, if you're using your parents' and they catch you doing it, you have to use a lot of it. Not a lot, but at teeny bits at a time. And then it'll work. Okay, so this bottle of glue is filling up. It's about right there. I can't tell. The glue's so white you can't tell of when it's full and when it's not full. Okay, like, I don't know why. You just can't. It's just so white. Okay guys, this is gonna take a little while, but I'm almost done, so that is good. I'm not even gonna use this, dude, because it's just gonna take up more of my time that I don't have, and more of the patience that I don't have. Okay, I think that's gonna work. I don't know, guys. Honestly, I don't know, but I don't really care. So let's go ahead and use this full bottle. I do care though. Here, you know what? I'll use that for the teal one tomorrow. Or today. I'm gonna use this one, this half bottle for the one, the white one, I guess. The last slime I made was the orange one. This might not be a very big slime, which I'm probably going to be mad about, because I really need this big slime. It doesn't necessarily have to be big, just that I want it to be big. Okay, I'm going to save a little bit of this for, if I can catch it. Yo. I'm gonna add all my glitters in. This should be pretty. I hope it's pretty. If it's not pretty, I'm gonna cry. Like I said, I'm not gonna add a lot of every one of them, just like three shakes, because that creates a right amount. 1, 2, 3. The shakes are a little long, so it takes a while for me to open. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. I think I just did the gold too much. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my mixing tool is a little rusty. Okay, so I'm mixing all the glitter together now. I should have got some clear glue. Should have got at least those many bottles of at least 4 of these and 2 more clear glue, but I didn't think of that. Dang it. Because I didn't think I was going to do something like this, but I ended up doing something like this. Okay, so you don't need to pour a lot, just pour a little in the cup. And then go along with that bit, and then set that to the side. Because it's not like it's gonna like die. The gains are not gonna die by itself. Okay, so I wonder how gain activates glue. That's what I want to know. Okay, so a lot of laundry detergent-ish. I'm just trying to gather up this rest of this glue because it's seeming to only clump up a little, but I think all of it will clump up like later. Okay, so as you see, hold on, I'll show you the process in a minute. I'll show you how it's doing. So this is how it's doing right now. It's clumping up. But I mix it up there on my dresser. So yeah, that's how it's doing right now. I'll give you guys an update in a minute because it's about to be done. See, like it really doesn't even take a lot of. You can have like a little bit of glue, like a half bottle of glue, and it'll still make a big slime. These bottles of glue, they looked small, but actually it almost filled up this whole container. This whole butter container. Don't laugh, it's a mixing container, that's all that matters. I was wondering where my dad went this morning, but he went to my great uncle. I think. I don't know. I was asleep when he left. Okay, it's slow. I'm about to give you an update as soon as I get all this game mixed up. Because it's near being done. It's getting off of the sides a little. See? Trust me, this works. I promise it does. Because it wouldn't be slime without it working. Okay, I need a little bit more gain. I wonder what the thing is. Like, it's starting to unstick to the bowl. I don't need it with my hands like most people do. Well, I mean, I need it with my hands, but I need it a different way than other people do. This is actually a pretty big slime. Honestly, I'm shocked of how big it is. Honestly am. I thought it was going to be smaller than this, but no. Thought it was going to be bigger than this, but no. But this is actually a pretty big slime. When it starts to unstick to the spoon, that's when I grab the container and I will grab my phone and I will go up to the okay, it's unstuck to the spoon, but there's still stuff. Baby, did you see my cat? Oh. Okay. Anyway, my cat is cute. He'll probably come back in here later. Okay, I think did I overactivate? Okay, so I didn't overactivate it. I want to add like a teeny bit more glitter into it, but I don't because I don't want to mess it up. Don't mess it up, talking that. Only gonna miss. Push me away, that's it. Cause you said you love me, that made me crazy. No, you love me again. Don't look with me with that look in your eye. Haven't made it obvious, look. I just need to get it off of the edges and stuff. Something that I don't have. Oh, I just roasted myself. I don't even know why I roasted myself. I just did. Cause I felt like roasting myself. I can roast myself all day. The only thing I can roast is marshmallows. We know. Okay. So I'll get you guys in a minute. I'm gonna. Do you want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Honestly, this is cold slime. I don't know why it's cold. I didn't do anything to it. I don't know why it would be cold anyway. I mean, unless like... So I kind of think it's done. It's a little sticky. It's kind of falling apart, but that's because the game is letting it get unsticky. See, if it sticks to your hands, all you gotta do is get gain on your hands. Have I made it obvious? Clear, made it clear. Obvious, if I need. Okay, so the slime's done. Okay, now I'm going to go over my slimes again and show you my new slimes. Oh, and I have some old slimes that I can show you guys too. Okay, so slime is a long process, but you kind of just gotta go with the flow, dude. So if any of my friends know my YouTube channel, and if any of my friends hear this out, if you have glue at home, I have Gain that you can use that I bought. You can come over here and make your slime and stuff, and then we can play or have a sleep over. Well, today is Sunday, but you can come over and hang out or something. So yes, it still doesn't need more gain. It is a long process, guys. It is. Because if you don't have patience, slime isn't a good thing for you to make. If you don't have patience, then somebody else can make your slime for you. But if you want it like right then and there, it's kind of going to be hard. If you don't have patience for it. Then, like I said, it's going to be hard for you to make slime. And I have a slime that I'm giving away to any of my friends that want it because I don't want it. It's this purple slime. I mean, not the purple slime. Maybe the foam slime I might give to my neighbor. I don't know. She's not responding to my text. So, if she doesn't come over, then she doesn't get it, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know yet. But the title of this is going to be Making Slime and Slime Collection. I'm going to put Slime Collection Part 1 and Making Slime. So yeah, this was a messy road trip, as you see. I'm going to use a little bit more of this. It comes out slow, that's why I'm not paying attention to it. I made the one that I was going to make, and I did it.
Did you put all the glitter in?
Yeah, all of it. Not all of it, like not all of the tube. Like 2 shakes of each. I don't know. Okay, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notifications if you want to get more notifications from my vlog channel. Bye!